Hi, Aqua. How are you?
Hey, Julia. I'm well. How are you?
All right, so I hear we are trying to choose a new foundation shade for you today. I have some amazing tools and techniques to share with you that's gonna make this a breeze to do yourself at home or in a store.
Okay, sounds good.
On the NARS website, if you look at the Discover tab, there's a tool called Matchmaker Virtual Shade Finder. You're gonna position your face so that inside that oval. Now, when you're at home doing this, you wanna make sure that you're in as even and realistic lighting as possible. You wanna stay away from super fluorescent lights.
Oh wait, it says my best match.
So you can also filter the results based on your skin type as well as coverage and finish preference.
Yes. I actually like the one that they recommended.
And do you see also in the augmented reality tool, it shows you kind of what a finished face with this foundation would look like? You get like a half and half, you can get a full face.
Yeah, this color is great.
So another tool that we have is going to be under the menu. If you go to makeup and then face, there's a tool called Foundation Finder.
Found it.
Now, what I love about this tool is it helps you to narrow down what's the best formulation for your skin, as well as giving you some shade recommendations. So we go to Get Match, and you'll see it gives you a variety of options. So there's very light, light, medium, medium deep, and deep.
Okay, I think I'm gonna choose medium.
And then, yep, it's gonna ask you to determine your undertone, and then what is your skin type? Would you say that you're oily combination, normal, seasonally dry, or dry?
Seasonally dry. Liquid or powder? I think definitely liquid for me.
And then which benefit is most important for you?
Sun protection. Definitely. So this actually brought up a few shades of the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer for me.
Amazing. I think that's a great match. It gives you the sun protection that you're looking for, and it's going to be very sheer and lightweight on the skin.
So I'm gonna walk you through a proper swatching technique that's gonna make finding your own shade a breeze. What you're gonna do is you're gonna choose 3 shades of foundation that you kind of just eyeball and that look the closest to your skin tone. We're gonna put 1 pump of each foundation on the back of your hand, and then we're gonna be swatching down the cheek. It's gonna be about a finger width, and you're gonna go all the way from the cheekbone straight down to the jawline. And you're gonna put them right next to each other.
And the reason why we want to see it kind of going down all that way is we have multiple different tones on our skin, and we want to see how it looks going across all of those colors. What you're going to do is actually around the jawline, you're going to start blending the foundation just a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, and you don't want it to be too blended. You want to be able to see the foundation there. That looks perfect. Amazing. Now, foundation matching is a lot about your personal preference as well. Which one do you feel most comfortable in?
I really like the middle one. I think it's the most accurate for me.
Absolutely. I think that one looks great too. So let's go with the middle one. So you're going to take your fingers and then grab a small amount of that product. You don't need a whole lot. And then starting from the center of the face where we tend to see the most amount of discoloration, we're going to start blending outwards. A little bit of foundation goes a long way, so you don't need a lot of product. So you're just gonna blend that for as far as it goes, and then grab more product if needed. Gorgeous.
This feels so silky. I love how this applies. This actually illuminates my skin, and it's very hydrating. I feel like this really covers up any small imperfections that I want to be hidden. I love this shade. This is honestly the perfect match.